Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I thought I was hearing my heartbeat on shortwave. Let me let you listen to it some more. I actually think this is a fax signal. It sounds like a fax, but I can't tune it in to get it to sound what I normally hear on a fax. It is in the frequency range of a fax. Let me go down. Here's my weather fax database. And if I come down here to one close by, New Orleans, for instance, 8502. I think that's coming out of New Orleans. But when I first heard this, I thought it was my heartbeat. We're going to play it a little bit more. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is a fax signal. I don't know why it's so distorted. Let me, if I click on this entry in the database, it'll set the parameters correct for receiving a fax. So now let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, that sounds good. Now, the other thing I can show you is there's a new plugin for SDR Uno called Fax. And I'll open that up and see if we can decode that signal because it's pretty darn strong. And guess what? It crashed. Oh, okay, let's try that again. You never know. You just never know. Let me open that back up. And it's crashed before. I'm not sure why. He did send out an update, which I've got, which is supposed to prevent it from crashing. So let me load that first. Load the plugin. There it is. There's the plugin. Now, let's go to that database again and go to that station in New Orleans, 8502, and we will play. And it's gone. Wouldn't you know it? Just as I get it set up, the signal's gone. Now they send faxes out all the time, so it might come back. So I'm going to let this record for a few more minutes and see if the fax will start again. With my luck, it won't. Come on, baby. You can do it. Let's see. The time is approximately 4:12. So I would think maybe a new fax would start at 4:15. So we will wait until 4:15. If we don't get anything, then I'll stop. But anyway, let me see if I can get this fax screen. There it is right there. And it will automatically decode these weather faxes. And you don't have to use any virtual cables or anything. It just ports the stuff over from SDR Uno and starts decoding it. If it'll just start transmitting again. Oh, talk about bad luck. Well, like I say, we'll give it to 4:15 here in Clearwater, Florida, and see if the transmission starts again. It was a strong transmission, but of course it's from New Orleans, which is not that far away from me. But if it ain't going to transmit, it ain't going to transmit. There's actually a website on the internet that you can get a detailed listing of all the weather fax transmissions throughout the world, the frequency, the location, and the time, and what they're going to transmit, whether it's a map or a picture from space of the weather. Okay, it's 4:13. It's so it's 4:13 in the afternoon, which is when shortwave reception picks up in my location. About 4 o'clock starts improving. It improves through the night, and then about 9 o'clock in the morning it starts going away. The solar flux index has been 80 for the past couple of days, so that's an improvement, but we want 100 plus, so it's still not that great. You can see that the noise level is nice and low here. I'm using my RSP Duo with my G5 RV antenna. It's not my best setup, but it's the setup here in my office, so it's convenient. My best setup is down in my workshop, which is the RSP DX and my Mega Loop antenna. Or my there we go. Okay, let's see fax program. Where are you? See if it'll start. And you can hit cheat and force it to start. I say force it to start. There we go. We're getting something. Of course, this is just a sync signal. Okay, it's also maybe, no, it shouldn't be picking up my microphone. Okay, there, right here is the sync bar. This should be over here. Yeah, getting a lot of noise now. It was a lot cleaner 15 minutes ago. Let's, okay, now it's sending data. Comes down really slow. Signal down here looks pretty good though. Okay, we got something I can read here. Got a lot of background noise. And of course you're asking yourself, why would you fool with this? Why don't you just go on the internet and search for weather pictures? Man, because it's just something to do, you know. It's actually, you are receiving these transmissions from these various NOAA weather stations. I'm not sure what that's trying to say. And a lot of times, it's really clear. Apparently don't have it tuned properly or whatever. And I can select various things up here. Like right now, select black and white. I can select gray or color. See if that improves it at all. No. So, not the best picture. Probably don't have it tuned in 100%. Let me, can I shrink this page? So darn big. No. Okay, let me get back here. Oops, oh, I hit the frequency. Okay, let's go back here. Reselect it. Okay, this is setting it to USB upper sideband, which it should be. And it looks like the waveform is pretty clean. But my fax, let me go back to it. Not very clean. This bar here should be either solid black or solid white. Any other thing I can change? Phase. Let's invert it, see if that does anything. No, just not getting a clean signal. You can definitely see there's information. Oh, I see now. This is the outline of Florida, Alabama, over to Texas. That's what that is. So I can actually make something out. And then there's Cuba down here. Pretty cool. Just thought I'd show you. It really caught me off guard there because initially it sounded like a heartbeat. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.